Hello traders, again welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to take trade with candlestick analysis. It's GBP USD. Here the market is going up, but it's a retracement level. So we can go to the sellers here. Okay, I'm going to place a put option. I placed here a put option because you can see some sellers are entering now. It will reject. I know that it will reject from that level because it's a retracement level. So at least for 1 minute we can expect a bearish entry here. That's why I placed here a put option. Just wait, I will show you the level. We can see some levels. It's respecting here, so it will respect here also. That's why I placed here a put option. After this we can go to the buyers. Okay, I'm going to place a call option. I'm just do some compounding trade with $20. I placed a call option because here also we can see some level. It's working here. It will definitely work here because I saw some rejections in the previous bearish candle. That's why I placed here a call option. It should be definitely bullish. 99% it should be bullish. Here it is the next possible reversal. Still there is a gap. That's why I placed here a call option. We can see some strong sellers entry from the same level. And I'm just do 4 or 5 step compounding with $20. It was also winning trade. Next one here also should be bullish because we can see it's an engulfing pattern in the uptrend, so it should be also bullish, but I lost my entry here, so no problem, we can take trade from the next candle. Here we can see some levels. The market is at the level, but still there is a gap. Anyway, we can wait for the closing of the present candle. Here I'm going to place here a call option. Okay, it's very good entry point. I think sellers directly entered here. There is no rejection from the bottom, but I expect the market to, here there is no levels, but I expect the market to reject from this level. We can see a level here in the left side. We can see some levels. The market is at the level, so I expect the market to reject from that level. It's after this we can see that one bearish, again we can see a bullish entry. Here also we can expect like that. That's why I placed here a call option, but it's very risky trade now because the previous bearish. Okay, anyway we can wait for the result. Rejecting, but the sellers are also active there. Okay, finally because of my entry I got ITM here. Okay, here the next one should be bearish, but I need a good entry. Okay, no problem, we can wait for the closing of that candle. Because that candle made a new low there, that's why we can again expect a BS entry here. We can see a level, but again we are seeing rejection, so here we can go to the buyers after this. Okay, it's better to place a call option. Oh, it's little bit late entry. but no problem. Now we can see some strong buyer's entry. So this kind of pattern must remember every time. If you see this kind of pattern in the resistance level, we can expect a buyer's entry most of the time, but sometimes it will go down too, but most of the time it will go up. That's why I placed here a call option. It should be definitely bullish. It was also winning trade. I think next one should be bearish because some levels in the left side, and also it can be considered as an exhaustion candle. But I don't take trade in this candle. We can wait for the closing. Sometimes it will go more. It will make another bullish candle too. So here also the market is consolidating. Okay, here now we can see some sellers entry. So I invest only $50 here. Here again we can go to the sellers. Here we can see a level, but here it will definitely broke that level. So we can expect one BF entry there. That's why I placed here a call option, sorry, put option. It should be bearish. 99% it should be bearish. You can see some strong sellers entry from the same level. And it should be definitely bearish. Okay, it was also winning trade, but here now we are seeing a new low in the market. Here okay, anyway again we can go to the sellers. I placed here a put option because still there is a gap to the next buyer's area, and I think the buyers directly entered. If the buyers directly entered, I may lose this trade also because the whole area will act as buyer's area. But I placed here a put option because of that new low in the market. But sometimes it will that buyers may directly enter, and most of the time it will fill that gap. Okay. And there's so many traders asking me about some short tips. Actually, in market there is nothing called short. Our capital is at risk till the closing of the time. Oh, it was a losing trade. The buyers directly entered here. No problem. We can go with 120. Just wait. Here the next one should be 99% bearish because here the market reversed directly without reaching the buyer's area. So it will only pull back. Here we can go to the buyers because there is no upper rejection in the previous candle. So I'm going to place a call option. I placed here a call option because in the previous bullish candle there is no upper rejection. It indicates there is no sellers are interested there. That's why I placed here a put option. Sorry, I placed here a call option. And anyway, I don't take trade more. If it's a winning trade, I will close my trading here. It should be 99%. It should be bullish. Okay, it was also winning trade. With $20, I got good profit. Anyway, I'm going to close this section.